Cabinet Minister Paul Lyngdoh, who is also the chairman of the West Khasi Hills Regional Board, the committee today said that there is no response from the Assam side on the matter pertaining to settling the Assam Meghalaya boundary dispute. He said that he had asked the DC of West Khasi Hills to speak to Kamrup DC and they are yet to receive any favourable response till now. According to him, the final report will be submitted only after the visit of the regional committee to these affected areas.
I've made efforts to contact our counterparts in Assam. I have also asked the DC, for instance, of Nongstoin, West Khasi Hills, to speak to the DC of Kamrup. So far, we have not been able to receive any favorable response. See, we will be able to submit the final report only after the visit to the affected areas takes place. We have indicated winter of 2024, so we're still awaiting that response from the government of Assam.